Namaste guys, hope you guys are doing well. I was here at Tarabu waterfalls as part of my spiritual journey in search of peace. ఈ వాటర్ఫాల్స్ అయితే వన్ ఆఫ్ ద హైయెస్ట్ వాటర్ఫాల్స్ ఇన్ ఆంధ్ర అని చెప్పొచ్చు. And not just being the highest, it is also the best, most popular and must visit waterfall. It is remotely located near to Sealeru and Chitrakonda అనే ఏరియా మీకు ఐడియా ఉంటే ఆ దగ్గరలో ఉంటుంది, అండ్ వెరీ క్లోజ్ టు ఒరిస్సా బార్డర్ as well. The best way to reach this fall is by our own means of transport, bike or car, and use Google Maps, and I would recommend to select car route instead of bike, so you can avoid off-roading as much as possible. This particular waterfalls was once a very difficult to reach waterfalls. ఎందుకంటే వాటర్ఫాల్ రీచ్ అవ్వాలంటే అట్లీస్ట్ 10 to 15 kilometers of off-roading ఉండేది, which is the biggest challenge, and it becomes worse when it rains. But now things are changing really fast. There is no off-roading anymore compared to 10 to 15 kilometers in the past. There is no need to hike. ముందైతే అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక 4 kilometers of hike ఉండేది. There is no need to cross any water streams anymore very soon, and no need to take the risk of climbing big rocks to get closer to the waterfall. అలానే ఇంతకు ముందు వరకు టికెట్ ఆర్ ఎంట్రీ ఫీ అయితే ఏమీ ఉండేది కాదు, బట్ నౌ దేర్ ఇస్ అన్ ఎంట్రీ ఫీ ఆఫ్ 20 rupees. నాట్ అ బిగ్ డీల్ టు బి ఆనెస్ట్, బట్ all these changes may be a good news to a lot of tourists and waterfall lovers from a tourism or development perspective. But in terms of being passionate about things like off-roading, hiking, camping, I don't think so. In fact, it's kind of boring. I mean, there's no fun when there's no struggle involved at all in your ride. You know what I'm saying? When there's no adventure on the way, means there's no excitement. You won't feel like you've achieved something, or the feeling of finally reaching a destination will be missing. That's what I feel. You may disagree. Tarabu waterfalls is also known as Gunjivada waterfall and Pittalaborra waterfall. It is one of the best places to hike and explore. ఇంకా తరాబు వాటర్ఫాల్స్ దగ్గరలోనే ఇంకొక బ్యూటిఫుల్ చిన్న మినీ వాటర్ఫాల్స్ ఉంది. మినీ అని ఎందుకన్నానంటే సమ్ పీపుల్ రిఫర్ దట్ టు as మినీ తరాబు. వాటర్ఫాల్స్ నేమ్ అయితే తెలీదు, కానీ చాలా ఎక్సలెంట్గా ఉంది. బట్ సమ్ లోకల్స్ ఆర్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ మై ఫ్రెండ్స్ టోల్డ్ మీ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మినీ తరాబు. I think that's because it is located near Tarabu. They're calling it Mini Tarabu. I'm not sure. I will soon upload that video. For more waterfall videos, please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a like if you like what you see. Avoid plastic. As I always say, take care of our nature so it takes better care of our future. I was able to capture some cool, good looking cinematic drone shots. Watch the video till the end if you can. Thank you for your time.